Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's taking care. Welcome back to Crypto News. My name is Jeremy Lizarazo and I'm here to help you guys. Alright, so today I'm just gonna make a really quick short tutorial on how to buy some of these coins that I've been talking about. In this video, we're gonna be talking about how to buy League of Ancients coin. Alright, League of Ancients token, LOA. Alright, so let's get right into it. It's pretty simple, straightforward, okay? League of Ancients actually happens to be on the Binance blockchain, all right? Because a lot of these gaming cryptos, they're based on a certain blockchain. A lot of them are Ethereum, a lot of them are Binance chain. There's some that are like, for example, what's it called? Blocktopia is actually on Polygon, all right? And UFO is actually Ethereum based. Just to give a few examples, all right? So League of Ancients is actually Binance based. Yep, it's on the Binance Smart Chain, all right? This is the official website. I'm going to teach you how to do this through PancakeSwap because there's different swap exchanges that allow you to exchange several cryptos, right? But they vary because PancakeSwap is for Binance coins and Binance tokens and Binance cryptos. Uniswap, which is another very popular one, you guys might have heard of it, is actually Ethereum based. So today we're going to be using PancakeSwap, right? So make sure it's pancakeswap.finance, right? It's a legit one. If, like me, you guys own Trust Wallet, you know, on your phone, just pull it out on your phone, right? You go in on your phone and you go to dApps, and that's where you'll be able to find PancakeSwap, or you could just search it up on Google and connect it to your wallet through there. And how you do that is you go on PancakeSwap, you click Connect Wallet, whether you're on your phone or your computer. I'm showing you guys through the computer. And you know, you can have all these different wallets to connect it to. I use Trust Wallet personally because it works best for me. So you get Trust Wallet. Now, in Trust Wallet, it gives you an option to buy the main cryptos that are very well known, like top 10, like Ethereum, Binance, Bitcoin, right? So you buy your Binance in there, right, in Trust Wallet. And the way you have to do it is you actually have to swap between the normal main Binance and the smart chain Binance, because you're gonna see when you're on Trust Wallet, there's gonna be one that's yellow Binance and another one with like an inverted black and yellow logo. It's very easy to swap. There's gonna be an area at the top that says swap, and all you have to do is click the Binance and then the smart chain Binance and swap it. And once you've done that in Trust Wallet, right, you go in, you connect your wallet, right, and then you do this. You put Binance at the top because this is where you're gonna be swapping it to, right, the top to bottom, right, and then now, in order to make sure, and you have to do this correctly, all right? Make sure that you have the right token, because there's a lot of tokens that are going to try to like scam you, making believe that it's the token even though it's not, all right? Now, this one is the legit one. Let's just double verify. 94B6, right? Here, there's a section over here that says buy LOA tokens, all right? Form. Yep, view it. Alright, the address. Yeah, here we go. Okay, this right here is the actual contract. Alright, so you copy that, right? It's the same one as this one. Yep. The exact same one as this one. All right. And then now you go back to PancakeSwap. You import it. I understand. Right? And then all you have to do is insert the amount of BNB that you have that you want to transfer to it. But keep in mind, right, that they're going to charge you slippage fees, right? And basically, I would try to get as low as I possibly can, because the lower you keep the slippage to, the more tokens you'll get. Because if I put 12%, which is the average for most tokens that you have to do, right, then it'll take a good percentage of your tokens that you should have gotten So I would try to keep, like, test it out as low as you can go. So like start off with like 1% and then go to 2% if that doesn't work, and then go to 6% or 4%, you know, and then try until, you know, you can get the lowest slippage percentage, because we're gonna take tokens from that. Okay, and then once you do that, all you have to do is click confirm. It'll send the tokens to your wallet, and on Trust Wallet, what you have to do, let me pull it up for you guys, my personal Trust Wallet. What you have to do is click that little token here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Click on the top right, of your screen, you click, and over here where it shows up all the tokens and everything, you scroll all the way to the bottom, and it says add custom token. All you have to do is at the top, click the network that it's on. League of Ancients is actually Binance, so you put the network to Binance, and then you copy and paste the address that you found for the legit token, right? And then after that, it puts all the information. You click done, and it'll show up into your list on your wallet, so you can actually see all your tokens are in there. All right. Anyways, take care, guys. I just want to make a short tutorial on how to buy this on PancakeSwap. You can use obviously different wallets, but I just kind of guided you guys with the Trust Wallet method. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Any questions, just make sure to comment down and I'll answer them personally. But besides that, take care, guys. Hope everybody's taking care, having a good day. Peace out.